In this video, I'm going to discuss the new organization chart web part in SharePoint Online. We'll be discussing what the web part is and how to use it and whatnot. Hey everyone, it's Joe from FC Tech, a great place to find tech news, reviews, and tutorials. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button, and all the links we referenced in this video can be found in the video's description. And with that said, let's jump into it. So what is the organization chart web part? So as you can see here, the organization chart web part allows page authors, by this they mean owners and members, to generate an organization chart based off of an individual that you specify. The page author will have the ability to control how many levels the org chart goes. Microsoft has already begun rolling out the org chart web parts. As you can see here, it's in the rolling out phase still. The plan is, Microsoft's plan right now is to have this rolled out to everyone at least by the end of the month. So if you don't have it already, I would be on the lookout. But for now, let's dig into how to actually add it to a SharePoint page. So as you can see here, I have my IT SharePoint page up. Just like adding any other web part, you need to be in edit mode. So I'll go into edit mode. From here, I can actually choose an area on the page. Simply click on the add a new web part option, the plus. And then if we scroll through, or if I actually start typing it, it will show up, but I'll just scroll down and show you all. All right, and there it is. You can see it's the organization chart. From here, you can see it immediately prompts you asking for a name or email address. This will be the top tier to the org chart, so you want to make sure you enter that person's name here. For the sake of this video, I'll enter my name. All right, so I'll select my name here. And you can see here it automatically added users who are beneath me in the org structure. In my org structure, I only have one person that I'm listed as a manager for. Just keep in mind that you either need to have the manager filled in or filled out for users in Active Directory if you use Azure AD Sync, or for the manager field within Azure AD itself. So if you do not have that field populated, this will not work. It uses that field, so make sure you get that filled out before you attempt to use this. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and publish this page, and you can see here it is. You can actually drill down a little bit here if you wanted to, if there are multiple levels. For instance, if I wanted to click on Siri, it'll drill down to this level, and it would actually make that the new top level to the org chart. And as you can also see, when you hover above it, it gives you the same functionality that you would have elsewhere within Office 365. So it gives you your little pop-out user information, like the email address, phone numbers, LinkedIn statuses, or LinkedIn accounts, things like that. And I actually have an example for you all of what this would look like if you had a slightly larger structure. Let me pull that up for you. All right, so here's an example from Microsoft. Actually, you can see here that the director who's at the top, and then all of the subordinates below. And you can see it actually splits this up into three separate columns. And if this was live, we could actually click on the retail manager and see all the retail managers and employees and things like that. This web part is really awesome. Up to this point, there wasn't a great way to do this, at least not natively. There were some third-party options out there available in the App Store, but there was nothing native to Microsoft, especially with the modern SharePoint Online. So this is a huge improvement, and I'm so thankful it's here. I'm looking forward to this being released to my work tenants. I have it on my personal tenant, Office 365 tenant, but not my work tenant currently. So as soon as this is available there, rest assured I will be adding this to many departmental departmental SharePoint sites. So, but that's pretty much it for the app. If you all have any questions or comments, please leave them for me down below in the comments section. That's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.